What's up guys, my name is Joopvdclips, aka Macaroni with the Cheese. Every day I make YouTube videos about stocks and crypto. And with that being said, let's get it started. So today, the 26th of July, the Bitcoin price is 38,500. And you may be wondering why. That's because we had a short squeeze. We see a lot of new money getting into crypto. And basically the RSI and the MACD already had the sign. I didn't see it before. I just heard it from Willy Woo. He had a tweet that he made 9 more hours. This tweet was on, let me see, the 3 days past. And he basically told nine more hours from daily close. If price hold these levels, RSI breakout will confirm. RSI leads price breaks with quite high reliability. Meanwhile, on-chain fundamental supply shock is in play and only getting stronger. Short squeeze setup. So he basically was ahead of the curve, and I hope he made some money about it. I really didn't see it. I really wasn't occupied with Bitcoin. So yeah, it's basically after the news. So what we see is that the RSI broke his trend here, broke his trend line, went up. And basically, Bitcoin's at the price 38,500. It went up for maybe like, 8% from 31,000. That's like, know what I'm saying? 35 or some, 33. At as low as 29. So, and what we see is the MACD. It's been strong and went out of his trend line. I do still think that Bitcoin can go lower, but it's a short-term play. And yeah, Bitcoin did reach above this blue line. This blue line is the 50-day moving average, and I do think that Bitcoin still needs to pass this line to get out of the downtrend. So when we back hitting this line, and that be at the price of 44,000, then we're back in the play. But I do think that we still can go down, and it will be a good play. Maybe it can touch this line and then go back to find some more support downstairs. Either way, going up, down, it doesn't matter for me. To be a good trader, to be a good investor, you basically can make money in an uptrend as in a downtrend. So it basically doesn't matter for me. But to have some positive momentum in the long term, we do need to get above this line of 44,000. So my next news, big news, is that Amazon gonna accept Bitcoin payment this year or maybe next year in 2022. So amazing looking to accept Bitcoin payment. That's what an insider said. The internet behemoth said tongues waging over the weekend after publishing a job advertisement for cryptocurrency at blockchain lead. What is said, this isn't just going to Moass to set up cryptocurrency payment solution at some point in the future. This is full-on, well-discussed, integral part of the future mechanism of how Amazon will work. So basically, they're planning to accept Bitcoin for payments. This entire project is pretty much ready to roll, quote unquote. So that's some good news for Bitcoin. And yeah, we're pretty much happy. So my second news is Grayscale. Grayscale did have a fund, and they basically have a new product, and that's the Grayscale DeFi fund. And it's pretty interesting to see which tokens they have included in this new project. And let me show you which product it is. But before I do that, I want to read something. I basically share this on my social media. So hi Joop, we're pleased to announce the launch of our new diversified investment product, Grayscale DeFi fund. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, refers to the decentralized finance services built on top of the distributed blockchain networks with no central intermediaries such as banks, custodians, and exchanges. Examples of DeFi protocols include decentralized exchanges, DEX, decentralized borrowing and lending platforms, and stablecoins, to name a few. Over the past year, DeFi applications have grown over 20x to 55 billion in total value locked. The total amount of assets collateralized with these services. The Grayscale DeFi fund comprises the following 10 tokens, which encapsulate several use cases for these applications, including DEX, lending, derivatives, and asset management. Yeah, so basically what I've been telling you guys, that it's pretty much a whole new layer on top of Ethereum, on top of blockchain, Bitcoin. That's the whole DeFi section. We also have an NFT section. So there's basically two new industry how this gonna conquer the world, in my opinion. So the key word in this is total value locked. When we do business and invest on these platforms, we always have to keep in mind how many money, how many funds are they have locked. And what we have seen now is what they've been telling us is 20x to 55 million. That's been the major reason why Grayscale is created their own fund with these tokens. So these are the 10 tokens, and I will go to the website to show you. Okay, the first of all is Uniswap. The second, Compound, MakerDAO, Synthetics, Universal. The first 5. The second 5 is Aave, Curve, SushiSwap, Yearn Finance, and Banker. So right on the top, we see that this whole new product, this whole new basket, 50% of this basket is Uniswap. We all know how Uniswap is basically here to stay. So the current price of Uniswap is 60 euros. Let me put that in dollars. Bam. Is about $19. Pretty much been a big investor in Uniswap because the whole DEXs I really like it. It's basically helping you, and you can buy tokens without putting your names in, without putting the KYC, and they pretty much a lot of tokens. I saw an article where they made a decision to delist a few tokens. Where was the article at? Binance. Yeah, basically I saw an article where Uniswap did make the choice to delist a few tokens, but yeah, I'm still pretty much a big investor in Uniswap because I made a lot of purchases and I know Uniswap is here to stay. And the second one, Compound, MakerDAO, Synthetics. I really like Synthetics. Aave, the #1 lending platform. Curveview, SushiSwap, Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance also does the #1 the investing product that was Yearn Finance. And let me see, what's the price of Yearn Finance? Ticker is YFE. Yeah, this almost got the same price as Bitcoin, 32,000 to be sure. So yeah, this basically the new product of Grayscale. And I always say we gotta keep in mind what these big players are doing, because that's where the money at. We as small players always gotta keep in mind where the big money is, where the smart money is. They rather call us dumb money, but you don't have to be worried about that. Just know how they play, just know what their next move is, and then you'll be ahead of the curve. So with that being said, this is the Uniswap, is 50% of this basket, and the rest of them are also big players in the DeFi section. So if you check my Instagram, I pretty much share this on my Instagram for you to know, because I really wanted to share some big information and some good knowledge to y'all for your own analysis. And with that being said, I want to share a last article, and yeah, there's this one. This article tell you which tokens that you need to watch in the next week. But to be honest, I do like these tokens. And #1 is Bitcoin, #2 Ethereum, #3 Aave, Luna, and ICP. We did saw ICP came in the market for a price of maybe $400, $450, but it pretty much tanked. and it went all to a price of, let me see, $27. So it's pretty much how it's been tanked. It came in at, it came in at 2,836 to be sure, on which day? On 11 May this year. So it's pretty much tanked. So I do see this still a big project. I do want more of this token. So yeah, I basically have been bought it since July and May when it tanked, and I am highly invested in this project. And Aave is also one that I really like, the #1 lending platform, and this one goes for 332, and the all-time high was 661. So I pretty much like this token because you can lend money, borrow money, you can do a lot, and they pretty much have integrated Polygon on it. So I'm really happy with this product. And Luna gives you the possibility to on it. This one I pretty much didn't know everything, but I know that this is a great project. So yeah, I would suggest to do your own due diligence about it and to get more information about this project. So with that being said, this is the end of my video. I hope you like my video. So yeah, basically what I've been saying, Bitcoin broke the trend line, the RSI and the MACD, they've been broken. So I do think that Bitcoin will need to pass this line, and this line is from the all-time high back in April at 64,000. I do think he needs to break this trend line, and I do think it will break, but I don't know if it will be in a short term. And after that, maybe it will go here and need a retest downstairs, or maybe go even down further before we're gonna get a new leg up upstairs. So for that being said, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. With that being said, we keep it hot, we keep it banging. I'm out. Bang, bang.